Hey guys, now I'm going to show how to install Ubuntu Linux in Windows 11. So first I'm going to go to Google and then I'll search for VirtualBox. So as you can see here, uh, and then click the downloads link. So there are Mac OS, Linux and others. So now I'm using Windows, so I'll click Windows. Okay guys, as you can see here, I already installed the VirtualBox. So the next step is I'm going to type Ubuntu. So as you can see here, you guys can click the desktop link. So now we can see that Ubuntu 24.04. So this is the latest version of Ubuntu. So I'll click the download link. Okay guys, so I already downloaded the Ubuntu. So this is the file. So the next step is I download the VirtualBox. So I'll click this one. So after I click, we open the VirtualBox. So we add new. So we put name as Ubuntu, and then ISO image we'll put others. So we'll select the downloaded Ubuntu file. So we'll set a username here, a simple username, so we won't forget. Okay, so the hardware will set for 8 or 3 MB. You guys can actually set more than that. So I'll set the base memory to 5 GB. So I'll click finish. So now the Ubuntu is here. So the first thing I'll go to settings. So I'll go to settings. So as we can see here, the display. So I'll select the display. So wait. So we close this one first. So the first thing I'll go to settings, and then I'll go to display and then set the video memory until 120 MB and set to the graphic controllers to VBox SVGA. So I'll click okay. So and then I'll open the Ubuntu. So now the Ubuntu is powering up. So as you guys can see here, this is the Ubuntu. So this might take a while. So you guys can be patient. So now we are in, but before that, we'll click the ROM, and now we are inside the Ubuntu, and we successfully installing the Ubuntu. So now the main task uh, has been accomplished. So in my opinion, as a student, I would provide two reasons to I would choose Ubuntu Linux. So first one, because cost and accessibility, which Ubuntu Linux is completely free and open source, while Windows often requires a paid license. And the second one is because ideal for programming and computer science. So Ubuntu is widely used in tech industry and other strong support for programming. So the